If you're tired of the same old ketchup-mayo combo and want something next level, you're in the right place. Start with 3 sausages, any kind you like. Beef, chicken, veggie, go wild. Give each hot dog a light crisscross slice, just enough to help the heat work its magic and make them puff up a bit. Place them directly into the air fryer basket. Set it to 200 degrees Celsius and cook for 5 minutes. This gives them that roasted, snappy skin that tastes like a backyard grill. Of course, without the grill. Grab a few dill pickles, about 2 to 3 medium ones. Chop them into small cubes. You want that crunch in every bite. Next, take half a red onion and finely mince it. This combo gives your hot dogs brightness, bite, and just a little kick. Add it to the same bowl with the pickles. Now for the creaminess, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayo and 1 tablespoon of ketchup, or your favorite sauce if you're feeling spicy or smoky. Mix it all together until everything's well coated. It should be creamy, chunky, and loaded with texture. And we're done with the base. Grab 3 hot dog buns. Scoop that pickle onion filling right down the center of each one. Think of it like the foundation of a sandwich. You want it to catch all the juice from the sausage and balance out the richness from the topping. By now, your hot dogs should be ready. Pull them out of the fryer and drop one into each bun. Those crisscross cuts, they've puffed up beautifully and locked in all the flavor. Now let's park the buns, fully loaded into the air fryer basket. Try not to crowd them. Give each one a little room to breathe. Set the basket aside for just a minute, because now we're making the game-changing part. Grab a small pan and place it over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, or about 30 grams. Let it melt down fully. Now toss in 180 grams of corn. We're using canned, but frozen or fresh works too. Next, pour in a splash of heavy cream, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. This helps everything come together into a smooth sauce. Then add 3 slices of creamy cheddar cheese, or about 75 grams if you're using shredded. Stir until everything melts and turns into a creamy, cheesy mix. It should be rich, golden, and a little sweet from the corn. Basically, the perfect topping. And now, let's bring it all together. Carefully spoon that hot corn cheese mix over each hot dog. Be generous. Let it drip down the sides because no one ever complained about too much cheese. Now place the basket back into the air fryer. Set it to 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Keep an eye on them. We want the buns slightly toasted, the cheese bubbly, and everything perfectly hot. Once they're done, slowly open the air fryer. Take a second to admire them. Crispy edges, melty cheese, and that perfect balance of sweet, salty, and tangy. And if you've got your own twist, different toppings, new sauces, drop it in the comments. We're always open to ideas. If you like this one, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any new recipes. And hey, if you're still hungry, go check out some of our other videos. See you in the next one.